Have you ever wondered what constellations actually are and where they came from? I'm your Galaxy Guide, and let's talk about it. Constellations are basically pictures in the sky, completely created by human imagination. People have been grouping stars into patterns for thousands of years, some constellations dating as far back as 3000 BC. Today, astronomers officially recognize 88 constellations, a list that was finalized in 1928. But why did humans do this in the first place? Well, imagine the last time you looked at clouds and you're like, well, that cloud kind of looks like a dog. Our ancestors did the same thing with stars. Since stars appear in the same pattern night after night, it's no surprise that humans connected them into patterns and figures and then gave them meaning. And constellations turned out to be really useful. For example, not all constellations are visible year-round. So farmers once used this knowledge to track the seasons so that they can plan their crops. It's important to remember that the night sky looks different depending on where you are. The northern and southern hemisphere have completely different constellations. But there's some constellations near the equator that do show up in both hemispheres, like Orion. But here's something fascinating about stars and constellations. The stars that we're seeing are not lined up next to each other in space. There's some stars in a constellation that may be much further from us and much closer to us. But from our perspective, from here on Earth, these stars just happen to line up into patterns that we've been able to tell stories about for thousands of years.